freshen up, and now I'm going to make my breakfast. But before that, skincare. Good. Today I had another weekly off, so I thought why not to just get up early and film something for you guys. So it is just like what I do on my day offs kind of day. So yeah, I woke up at 8, I got freshen up, I got a shower, I did my skincare, and now we are going to make breakfast, for which I have a sandwich. I will have sandwich. I'm not planning to go out today because again it's really hot, and I also tied my hair because it is really hot. Yesterday it was raining when I was coming back, but it like didn't rain so good. So the weather is still hot, humid. Let's start prepping our breakfast. Okay, I know you must be thinking that sandwich में onion या tomato slice करके डालते हैं. Of course, that is also a way to make a sandwich, but I don't like when you bite the sandwich पूरा tomato. You can't bite and separate the tomato. The whole tomato comes out of the sandwich or whatever. You know how messy it is. So that's why I have chopped tomatoes and onions. Now what I'm going to do, that I'm going to take this garlic chili sauce and mix it with onion and tomato and some seasoning, and we are going to spread this Szechuan sauce on the breads. Oh my god, this looks, wow. Oh guys, I have zero spice tolerance, and this one is, oh, it is really spicy. I have never had this before. So onions, tomatoes, and the Szechuan sauce on the base, if you can see. I'm going to add, I'm not going to put any red chilies, I'm just going to add some salt to it. You make your food the way you like. I hope you can. Wow. Ooh. Nice. I have not added all of this. Okay, so we are done making the sandwich. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a pan, I'm going to spread some oil, and then I'm just going to lightly toast it so that it becomes crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. And I have zero spice tolerance, so it might be a problem, but I don't know. I have tried this for the very first time, so yeah. Let's oh, let's so yeah, let's just toast it a little bit. So me and my roommate, we both share this one single almirah. So my section of this almirah is really a mess because I don't really, you know, clean it. I mean, I do clean it on my day off, but throughout the week, the 6 days I go to work, this thing just becomes a mess. So right now it is a mess. So I'm quickly going to arrange this, and after that we are going to read a book. In morning I had my breakfast. After that I didn't really had anything because I ate around 11 o'clock or something, so I didn't really felt hungry or like felt like eating. After that I will just have some snacks and dinner. And also this is my first ice cream of the season. I love coffee flavor. Some momos, pasta, and I got some coconut water. Looks like water. But doesn't taste like original coconut water. So I'm going to have this pasta and this these momos for dinner. Wow, it already melted. I had to get a katori because it's already half melted and I don't like spilling it all over my clothes. Nice. I don't like this outer shell of chocolate. Let me just try it without this shell.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Look what I did to my book. See, that's why I got this bowl. कोई नहीं बोलेगा मुझे आइसक्रीम खानी नहीं आती है.
If we tried it, we can make it. But don't we ever just take some chances and stop your thinking and start your living. Get your shoes on, we're going dancing.
Not bad, but not really great. Like a 5 on 10. Nice. If the momos were fresh, even better. Momos are still good.